In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of anything in Photoshop with just a few simple steps. Whether you're perfecting your latest masterpiece or just experimenting with some creative ideas, this guide will show you exactly what to do. First things first, let's open Adobe Photoshop. It's essential to make sure your version is up to date, as each update could bring new features that might be helpful. Once you have Photoshop open, you'll want to begin by adding your image. Simply go to File in the top menu and select Open. From there, choose the image file you want to work on. This could be anything from a photograph to a digital art piece. Next, we need to make a selection of the part of the image that you want to change the color of. Photoshop offers a variety of selection tools to help you with this. For example, the Quick Selection tool is great for grabbing areas with similar colors, while the Pen tool might be more suitable for precise selections, especially if you're dealing with intricate edges. Take your time here and ensure your selection is as perfect as possible. This will directly affect the final result. Now that your selection is done, go to the Layers panel, which is typically on the right side of your screen. If you don't see it, just go to Window in the top menu and make sure Layers is checked. Click on your image layer to ensure it's selected. This step is crucial because any changes you'll be making now should affect only the selected areas, not the whole image. We're getting closer to seeing some real changes now. In the Layers panel, navigate to the bottom and click on the Add New Adjustment Layer icon, which looks like a half-filled circle. From the drop-down, choose Hue Saturation. This will bring up some control sliders where you can start playing with the colors. This is the exciting part. With the Hue Saturation Adjustment Layer active, you can simply drag the hue slider left or right to select the tint you desire. You'll notice the colors in your selected area will transform accordingly. Feel free to adjust the saturation and lightness sliders as well to refine the intensity and brightness of the new color. And there you have it, a quick and effective method to change the color of anything in Adobe Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every image is an opportunity to hone your skills further. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Happy editing!